Welcome to a deep dive into one of the most transformative technologies in modern healthcare, continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs. These devices have revolutionized how millions manage diabetes, offering real-time insights never before possible. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down the inner workings of a CGM system, from the tiny sensor inserted under the skin to the advanced algorithms that translate raw data into actionable information on your phone. So what exactly is continuous glucose monitoring? Unlike traditional finger prick testing, which gives a single snapshot, a CGM continuously measures glucose levels throughout the day and night. It's about monitoring trends, not just moments. For individuals managing diabetes, CGMs are revolutionary. They eliminate the guesswork, offering crucial data on how food, exercise, and stress impact blood sugar, leading to much tighter, safer, and more personalized glucose management. A typical CGM system comprises three main parts that work seamlessly together: the sensor, the transmitter, and the receiver or smartphone app. Each component plays a vital role in the continuous measurement process. The sensor is the core of the system. It's a small, flexible electrode inserted just under the skin, usually on the arm or abdomen. It's tiny, disposable, and designed to last between 10 to 14 days, providing constant glucose readings from the interstitial fluid. Attached directly to the sensor is the transmitter. This is the brain that converts the chemical signal from the sensor into a digital signal and wirelessly beams that data to the next component, often via Bluetooth technology. It's generally reusable and battery-powered. The final part is the receiver, which can be a dedicated handheld device, or more commonly today, a smartphone app. This is where you view your current glucose level, historical graphs, and receive essential alerts for high or low readings. Now let's explore the fundamental science that allows the sensor to detect glucose. The process relies on a key enzyme and a clever electrochemical reaction within the interstitial fluid. CGMs don't measure glucose directly in the blood. Instead, they measure it in the interstitial fluid, which is the fluid surrounding the cells. There is a slight time lag, typically 5 to 10 minutes, between blood glucose and interstitial fluid glucose readings. The actual detection happens at the sensor's electrode. This electrode is coated with an enzyme that reacts specifically with glucose molecules found in the interstitial fluid, generating a tiny electrical current. The critical component here is the enzyme glucose oxidase. When a glucose molecule reaches the sensor, the enzyme oxidizes the glucose, producing hydrogen peroxide. This chemical reaction generates an electrical signal that is proportional to the amount of glucose present. Once the electrical signal is created, it's a journey of digital conversion and interpretation. Let's look at how this raw electrical signal becomes the easy-to-read number on your phone. The electrical signal is first processed and converted into a digital data packet by the transmitter. This small device then uses low-power wireless communication, usually Bluetooth, to transmit the data every few minutes to the linked receiver or smartphone app. While many modern CGMs are factory-calibrated, some models still require occasional calibration using a traditional finger prick blood glucose reading. This ensures the interstitial fluid measurement remains highly accurate compared to the blood glucose standard. The real power of a CGM lies in how it presents the data, moving beyond a single number to show trends and patterns that inform better management decisions. Your CGM app displays your real-time glucose reading, often updated every 1 to 5 minutes, alongside a 24-hour graph. This graph allows you to see the peaks and valleys, helping you understand how different events impact your levels. Crucially, CGMs feature trend arrows. These arrows show not just your current glucose level, but also the direction and speed your levels are moving. An arrow pointing straight up means rapid increase, offering a critical early warning. High and low glucose alerts are lifesavers. You can customize these thresholds, allowing the system to notify you when your glucose is moving into a potentially dangerous range, helping prevent severe hyperglycemia events. Beyond just knowing your number, CGMs offer significant clinical and lifestyle benefits that profoundly improve the quality of life for users. One of the most important metrics is time in range, or TIR, which tracks the percentage of time your glucose is within a target healthy range. Better TIR directly correlates with lower A1C levels, indicating overall better long-term diabetes management. By tracking your glucose continuously, you can identify patterns related to specific meals, exercise intensity, and even sleep quality. This personalized feedback loop empowers you to make informed decisions and truly tailor your management strategy.